Oh, uniform be mandatory. Huh? Gavin, Aga, come here. Let's discuss about this. Okay, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oh yes, in this video, I want to discuss about should uniform be mandatory. Nah, okay.
So, let us introduce ourselves. Okay, my name is Muhammad Gavin Sahbala Arafifa from IDN Boarding School Solo 9th grade.
Okay, you can.
And my name is Agar Afif from Ideal Boarding School 9th grade.
Okay, my name is Bayaki Hafid Abroni from IDN Boarding School Solo 9th grade. Okay,
So-
what your opinion about this?
My opinion. So, about uniform must be mandatory, maybe no see. If you think that like America and Europe country is not use uniform, bro.
What your opinion?
In my opinion is we should wear a uniform because it's a formality for student and is right in the rules. Actually in Indonesia we must wear our what's name uniform because it's a part of formality.
Okay,
Okay, me. I think use uniform it's make at some cost. So did you think about like poor people can buy a new uniform? They don't have money.
Oh, so in my opinion is actually in Indonesia they should wear our uniform, but if we didn't have any money maybe we can get from school. There's some school that will give you, but there is some school that will not give you the uniform. Actually you must buy it, yeah, because in Indonesia is the rules. We should wear a uniform for formality, and it's like a sopan cartoon.
yeah, okay. Gavin, what do you think about uniform?
I think if like 5S, Indonesia it's 5S, like single, sopan, santun, salam, yes I forgot. It's not depends on their uniform. Cause did you know like SDN, like senior high school or SMP, there is many they fight with the other school.
Yeah.
Like in Indonesia, we usually call what
Tauran.
yes tawuran. That's not good.
Okay, what do you think?
So I'm saying that is if we wear our uniform is our culture. So if you join another culture, it will be different and it will be weird. Actually, when I saw some school that not wear a uniform, I saw that did he will going to school or what kind of something, yeah, because in Indonesia we have a culture that if we still in elementary school, junior high school, and especially for senior high school, we must wear our uniform, yeah, except for name when you go to university, there's some university that allow you to use another uniform or maybe use some t-shirt or like uniform that you want because it's our culture.
My opinion about culture. So maybe yes, and at the past time, America use wear uniform, you know, in 1997 if you understand. But right now, America not wear uniform again. And did you know, America it's the good country like Europe, German too, German, English and other country not use uniform. And that make not uniform make like discipline. No. It depends on the people.
So he say that America is a good country, but not use a uniform. When you say that, I think that you must see China because actually China is the world most smartest people in another country. Like when I saw Indonesia, because the SDM is so that, and I saw China, the SDM is very high, or maybe the IQ is around 100 or more than that. Yeah, they still wear a uniform. Because what? Because they know that uniform is the part of discipline and formality, and uniform is a culture of the. So when they not wear the uniform, maybe someone will think that this kid or this man or this friend or my friend, I don't know, someone will think that you are not disciplined, because if we wear some kind of uniform, it will be like someone thinks from us like this people is disciplined or not. Yeah, maybe it's that.
What do you think?
About uniform, yes, maybe like China, Japan it's wearing uniform. Like Asia country maybe use uniform, I don't know, but in Europe it's not wearing uniform. Maybe it's depends on their culture.
Okay.
Yeah, actually culture is like kind of part of our country. Like if we not join the culture, we not name people from that country.
Okay. Value positive. You can take.
Oh, I got
Okay.
you.
My positive, yeah, positive thing that I can take is all about the formality. Yeah, when I saw some student, you wear a uniform, I think that this student it's kind of good when I first look. But when I saw after I introduce myself and be part of him, or I mean like become a friend, yeah, maybe there is something that I will know, but you will don't know. Yeah. But it depends on the people. Yeah. So the positive thing that I can take, it will be someone will see you are a good looking. Yeah. Maybe just that for my first positive. And the second is about name discipline. So when I wear some things like my pants is baggy or maybe like scanner, when you come to your school, teacher will think you will not learn in here. So you just want to play and it's other. Yeah, because your style is your name, is your look. When you wear a not good looking style, maybe someone will think that you are so bad or maybe so ugly. Yeah. So the second is about the good looking. Yeah. And the third or maybe the last is about culture, because in Indonesia we actually use uniform, and in Malaysia also too. Yeah. Malaysia, China, Japan, and Thailand, Korea still use. But if in Europe, actually, they not use or wear their uniform, because they already have a culture that they have a privilege to not use, I mean, do not wear their uniform. So they can use their own style. Yeah, maybe just that's for my positive opinion.
Your negative.
Okay, about my negative opinion. I mean, because if we wearing some uniform, maybe people can't express their self. Why? Because uniform make you like formal. You cannot go like think. I mean, like walking or some kidding cannot bro. And then right now in Indonesia, you if talk about discipline,
it
not all people wear uniform discipline. Cause you know, like there is many people tawuran or fighting with the others people, and then there is people stealing and others not about discipline. Nah, it's extremely rare, I mean, like the other country. But in Indonesia, there are many people like that. Okay, so the point, the value we can say, discipline not depends on your uniform, but depends on the people, on your character.
Okay, then
uh,
maybe that's all from us. Thank you for your nice attention. Let's say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.